What's up, everybody? Welcome to turn number 9 of the Tyronia Hotseat. Let's jump right in here. Should I put in the right password? Alright, there we go. You were at war with the Empire of the Sunrise Coast, but what the hell? Let's get some trade rights.
Good. Farewell, speaker of your people.
Get some money out of you before you die. Let's read this. Emperor Heinrich will be most pleased that our people shall begin working together. I will send you compliments and thankfulness to my son Prince Harry for his single-handedly defeating heathens in the south. Just the other day I received word that he had swinched another uprising for these proud folk. That Prince Henry is shaping up to be a great commander, but not as kind a man as Heinrich. Yours humbly, Otto von... whatever that last name is. Let's turn down the volume as well, because the volume is a little loud for my liking. Alright. If I do sound quiet, it's because I don't want to wake up my roommate. It is currently 12:30 midnight, so they probably just went to sleep. Let's keep moving King Edward this way. We will probably build a tower there, but we need to move Stefan this way as well. Let's train this guy here. We have to put those units in the city. We need to build something.
Aye, Lord.
Alright, so the city's there. That's good to know. Move you back.
We've marched our limit.
Should probably... hold on a second. How much money do you get if I do that? Shit, you give me shit. Okay. You... if I were to build a port, how much money is that? Not worth it. I looked at this yesterday, and I was going to... and I was sure on what I was going to build, but I don't remember what it was now. I feel kind of bad that I don't remember what I was going to build. Was it a chapel? Was it a chapel here? Chapels are so expensive. No, I know what I was gonna do. It wasn't that, but I need to look into that. Perhaps it was that, and then those mines would be good to have. Oh, it was a merchant's wharf. That's what it was. Yeah, let's build that, and let's build the tower here.
The enemy approach, you will ken it, sire.
Alright. I'm not exactly worried about an invasion, but sure. Alright, so you're moving this way. I'm probably going to move him here. Or, let's just put him here for now, because I don't know...
set a watch. We camp here.
I don't know that that's going to stay... There's a city right there, but I don't know if that's going to stay rebel long enough. Because he might come down and take it, but I would very much like to have it. So it's probably smart that I go for that, honestly. I think my king can handle England on his own. Plus we'll send him reinforcements from these two places once we train troops there. We're still not making great money. And we're making money, just not great money. But once that merchant's wharf comes in, how much is that? That's going to do us quite a big jump in money, so that's not bad. Anything here? I can't build anything else anywhere. He'll be a wooden castle soon.
Command me. Aye, my liege.
Okay. We can collect these guys. We'll probably train a few more of these, actually. I can't train Highlanders here, can I? No, I can't. I need to get the mustering. I need to get the barracks up there. That's pretty much the turn, though. Let's look at the diplomacy. I don't think anyone else is at war. Oh, that's interesting. Venice is allied to the disciples of Tyrone. Very interesting. And it looks like, as you can tell, right there, it looks like, yes, disciples of Tyrone have taken that province. And Venice has also taken province there too. Very interesting. But if we look at the stats, my allies are doing very good. They're doing really good. Let's look at all the human people. Overall, we're like 4th. Not bad. We're kind of sitting there with Venice and Tyrone and Spain. All that. We're all basically on the same region. If we look at the military ranking, we've gone up a little bit. That's not bad. I need to keep increasing that though. Production ranking is all over the place. Territory, we are tied for 3rd in territory. Going for our 7th province. My allies have 9. I know that because I told him. I remember I told him as soon as we started making strategies, I told him to go immediately for the Turks, and that's exactly what he did. And I'm very happy that he did that. Actually, the Turks might be dead. Yes, he killed the Turks. The Turks are dead. Awesome. They were a powerful enemy to get rid of because the Turks get really annoying as they progress. But there's a province here I wanted to take. I can't tell what thing it is, but it's a town, and I need another town because it gives me a lot more income. So his kilo. I don't think he's going to go for this province over here. So, and if he does, I guess I'll just buy it off him. We are definitely going to invade the English and sack their capital. That'll give us a lot of money. Do that with our king, actually. Use whatever troops we have here for that.
Aye.
We'll probably send out some men from High Guard. Maybe some men from Rollinat as well. We'll train some mercenaries along the way. But once I attack them, the first place I want to go for is their capital, because that's their moneymaker basically. They have another. I think they have a castle here or something. I don't know. It's really like vast plains. Really, there's nothing really there. I'm just rambling on at this point. My turn is over. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you check out everyone else's channels in the description below, and I'll see you next time.